INTZ stock analysis and INTZ stock prediction. Here's the buy right now. Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Intrusion is sitting at $2.73, 45% up. And it's actually starting to break, which is, bro, it's very exciting to me, honestly. Like, before I get digging this, I've done 34,000 videos, spent thousands of dollars on courses, mentorships, documented everything. Observing INTZ. As I saw the first break, the only thing that I really care about now is the second, you know, like, yeah, 30-minute chart, we might be having it, and ultimately that might be all that I really need, you know. So as I saw the first, if there is a second break above this high, I'm taking things further higher, you know. And do you know what, like, as long as it's inside this whole zone between between 356 and 163, just a huge no man's land. And this will be very interesting to see what's going to happen next. So stay tuned. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and way, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.